Hey guys, welcome to math today. Our dots. How am I going to remember which dot to start with? Maybe I will draw an arrow, and that will remind me that I'm starting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19 dots. Let's say it the say 10 way. The say 10 way is 10, 9. All right, let's do a different one. This time I'm going to cross off my dots as I go so I remember that I did them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have 17, and if we do that the say 10 way, then we have 10, 7. All right, let's do one more. This time I'm going to circle them as I go so I remember that I've started counting. And let's start counting over here this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13. And if we do that the say 10 way, then we have 10, 3. 10, 3, or 13. So now we're going to play hide 0. Are you ready? So I'm going to write the number 10. And then I'm going to hide the 0 and see what number it makes. So we have 10. What if I put the 7 on top and, hide the 0? Let's see if there's a better way to do this. Using the whiteboard. It's a little bit more tricky. We might just have to erase and then put it back. So we have 10. Let's see how we can hide it. Hide, 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 hide. It's like using whiteout with a piece of paper and a pen. There we go. 10, hide 0, 7, 17. If we do it the say 10 way, it's 10, 7. Let's try it with another number. So I'm going to erase my 7. So we have 10. Hide the 0. What number is that? 13. And if we do it the say 10 way, then we have 10, 3. Ten, 3. All right, let's do one more number this way. So I'm going to erase my 3. We have 10. And this time I'm going to hide the 10 right away. And I'm going to write the number 4. So we have 10, 4. 10, 4 is 14. Nice work. Goodbye, number 4. Goodbye, 10. So now I'm going to tell you a story about donuts. So Mr. Perry is decorating donuts. I love donuts. They are such a nice treat to have every once in a while. So let's draw my donut. Mr. Perry has 14 sprinkles to put on his donut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So can you help me make a number bond out of Mr. Perry's donut? We'll make the middle the hole, 'cause it's a donut hole. Get it? And let's put the blue dots over here and the purple dots over here as our parts. So we know he has 14 altogether. He has 10, 4. How many purple dots does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many blue dots does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. He has 10, 4 dots. He has 14 dots all together. Cool. Wreck and rack. So let's count how many beads we have on one row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We can tell by looking that every row has 10. Whoops. So each row has 5 red, and 5 white. 5 and 5 is 10. That's another way to tell that every row has 10. So let's count by tens. I'm going to slide them across, and every time I slide them across, you can clap as you count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's go backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Let's take a look at what this looks like. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, I ran out of room. That's okay. We'll start over. No big deal. I'll write smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know this is our pattern. If we put 1 in front of them, then we get our teen numbers until we get to 210. So what if we're counting by tens? Then what happens? We put a 0 at the end. So we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Woohoo! Before we go, I want to show you my clapping hands. The reason I like to do it is because how many fingers do I have on this hand? 5. How many fingers do I have on this hand? 5. So if I take my 5s and I put them together, how many do I have? 5 and 5 is 10. So let's go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Yay! Round of applause.